Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to customize your home screen and our lock screen and the wallpaper that's there. Now there's a number of options that you can do when it relates to customizing your home screen. However, most people tend to miss them. For example, this is a standard lock screen. It will work on any wallpaper, but for some reason we tend not to customize it. Now I want you to pay close attention to how the home screen looks now. And of course I'm gonna improve it and show you some of the things you can actually add. All right, so let me go ahead and unlock. All right, so now that I'm unlocked, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna long press on an empty space. It's gonna show me here, and if I tap here, I'm gonna go straight into wallpapers. I'm gonna tap and go straight to wallpapers, and I mean this option right here, which is the first one that says wallpapers and styles. So we're gonna style the home screen. All right, so let's go ahead. So I'm gonna tap, and it's going to bring you to this screen here. So notice it says here, dim the wallpaper when dark mode is on, which is a good idea, so make sure that's on. And of course it says color palette, meaning it will try to match the color of the dominant color of your wallpaper. That can be kept on, or you can tap. Once you tap, you can make your own customization and apply them. As you can see, there are a number of options, not really necessary. I rather it uses the custom feature where it automatically chooses. All right, so you're gonna hit change wallpaper next. So you're gonna tap on change wallpaper. All right, so if you come to the change wallpaper screen, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna choose from these. If you do not see these, scroll down and you'll see them. All right, so we have several options here. I'm gonna choose this one right here. And there you go. It shows the options. Notice it says, do you want to place it on the lock screen or the home screen? If you want to uncheck lock screen, you can have two separate photos. However, for this tutorial, we're just going to keep both. So make sure both is checked. We're going to hit next. All right, so here we go. Now, most people here, what they do is to hit done. And of course, the wallpaper will be changed on both desktop and home screen. Now, of course, there's more that can be done here. Before you hit done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to stretch the clock. All right, so touch it on the edges. So you notice here, we can actually make it much larger. All right, in this case, I'm going to make it as big as this. There you go. So as you can see now, we have a much bigger clock that's more prominent and it looks way better. And you can customize it to the wallpaper that you have. You can also, for the wallpaper that you see here, you can choose personal pictures at the top of the list. So you can do this with a personal picture, or of course the built-in. So you're going to hit add widget. And of course, there's a number of widgets here. Battery, I'm going to use battery. So you can actually use the battery widget. You can use a single or the double. You can go back. You can use calendar. You can use camera. You can use device care. You can use your gallery. There's a bunch of options. You can use weather. So you can have weather on the home screen. But for this case, I'm going to use battery. That one is tend to be quite nice. So I'm going to hit add. And you can touch on the outside. And there you go. Check it out, guys. You now have the battery widget. You can tap and minus to remove. So we can mess around with it or customize it. So there we go. So we have added on the lock screen, we have added this wallpaper here. So I'm going to done. All right, so it says changes applied. So we're going to go back. There you go. Check it out. So it gives the lock screen a totally different look. And as you can see, we have now the large clock, the date, and of course we can have several widgets. And I did this customization separately. You can watch that video and you can see even the buttons down here. So it gives the home screen a fresh new look that looks quite nice. All right, you can do this with any photo that you want. So go ahead and next time you can actually use a custom wallpaper that you have, or of course you can use one of your gallery photos. All right, so I'm in the tutorial here. Do you enjoy how to customize the home screen and add a new look? See you in the next one, guys. Bye.